It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I'm logged into the Roblox website and I'm not using the Roblox app itself, so make sure you use the web browser instead of the app. After you log into the web browser into the Roblox website, go to the avatar editor on your character and go into the face accessories tab. In here, equip each accessory at least once. After you equip both accessories at least once, click on the name of the one you aren't using at the moment. This will take you to its catalog page and you can see on the URL a bunch of numbers. All you have to do is copy these numbers in order to equip multiple accessories in a row. So select the numbers and copy them. After you copy the numbers from the URL of the item you aren't equipping, go back to the Face Accessories tab and click on the Advanced button at the right side of the screen. In here, just paste the ID you copied from the URL of the item you aren't equipping. And once you click Save, your character will equip both face accessories at once.